Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can join a realm in Minecraft server. So most of you guys are joining like random functions server or realm servers and they don't know how it works and what to do after they join them. Basically in this video I will show you everything from zero to become an expert in this kind of servers, but for the sake of this video I will just go into a single player mode, so I will show you everything in peace without any players or typing in the chat. So basically let's say that you have joined a realm server for the first time. Let me explain first what is the realm. What you have to do in the server is create your own base and make it really safe and secret and no one shall know about it. And what you have to do is destroy other people's clans, like go to their base, steal the stuff and make your base stronger and stronger by using obsidian, water and lava and sand and stuff, etc. So how to create your own realm? Basically what you have to do is create something like go to your chat and tap /f create and the name of your realm. If you want to join, you type /f join and the name of the clan or the leader or the player that you know in that realm. And now for example, let's say that you created your own realm and you wanted to invite a friend. What you should do is go here +F invite and you should type whatever name of your friend, for example Car Prodigy, and just like that you will be able to invite your friends. What he has to do is /F accept and he will be teleporting or in your clan. So what you have to do next is for example you wanted to claim a house. What you have to do is if claim, and if you wanted to make your home, like a command that makes you go home, what you have to do /F set home, and to go to your home you can click F home and you will go back to your home. If you want to TP to a friend from your clan you can click FTPA and you will be able to TP to another your friend. What your friend has to write /FTP accept, just like so. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.